The projector target and projector allows us to project images onto other objects or images. So basically we're going to set up a scene here, and I'm going to create a scene kind of that represents this projector and target. So what I'm going to do is use a rectangle here, and this is going to be our back plate. So I'm just going to scale this up here. I put it back in Z space, and now we're going to use another object here, which is actually going to be our projector here. So you can think of this as basically a projector projecting onto a screen. The rectangle is my screen, the sphere is my projector. We're going to go into our built-ins container plugins in the global folder and drag our projector target and projector up onto our containers. So first, our projector target gets drug up onto the rectangle. Our projector gets drug onto our sphere. Now, of course, we're not going to see anything yet because we don't have an image onto our sphere. So we can come up and drag some type of image onto your sphere here. And you can see that when we did that, we put the image on the sphere, but it's now showing up on the rectangle as well. So now if we come into our transformation position for our sphere and we were just to move this back, we're just moving the sphere. Now you can see what's happening with this image. So we can move it to the left here, and you can see that we have two geometries. Now we can go into the projector setting, and we have a field of view Y, or a FOVI, that we can adjust here. So we can decrease this, and you can see that it takes that image out. If we increase it, it will increase the size of the image. There's also an option to show, so you can turn that sphere off right there. Again, we have our layers, so we can choose which layer works with other layers. Now within the projector target, we don't have many options other than the layers again, and this apply material. So by default, the apply material is off, and if we drag a material onto this background, you'll see the shading but not the material. So once we turn the apply material on, it then gives it that orange color. Now another way to turn this sphere off, if you don't want to use the show or you just forget about it, you can come over into this sphere here, and this disables it right there with that little dot, but it will still keep it active. So now if you go back into the transformation axis center and still move this sphere around and rotate it or however you need it, you can still see that you are projecting this image onto the back rectangle.